going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Right now I'm outside of a job site that I've been working on, and like I said, we putting these up for the auditing, so we still got a lot of work to do on this end, as you see. But I was asked by one of my followers on Instagram about different hoods to get and different hoods to purchase and what not to purchase, and honestly, it's really on each his own. You know, some people feel like they gotta have a certain style hood, a certain brand, but it's all on the welder. I mean, you don't have to have, you know, this expensive hood to be able to go do a job and get a bag and get some money. Me personally, now, the most I have ever spent on a hood was probably $300 to $400. That's the most I ever spent on a hood. And it lasts me for a long time. I used that hood for at least, no lie, at least 3 or 4 years before I had to get another one. And after then, I was like, I ain't spending that much. It was a waste of money. But this is what I would recommend. I have a classic Miller hood. And in this hood, you got different settings. It's like 14 different settings in here. So you got different settings in this hood. And this was like under $150 hood, this one was. Then I got my hard hat welding hood, which I really like this one because majority of the jobs like I'm on, I have to wear hard hat. So I got the hard hat with the connectors on the side. And I got the standard pipeliner hood. And I put instead of having a standard lens, I put a tradesman lens in here. And this is a 10 shade. So I still have the technology to have it to automatic darken, but it's a standard automatic darken. It only goes to 10. You know, you can't set it at another level, but it's cool to have because when you're grinding, you can open it up and grind with it. You got these stainless clips that goes on the inside, and I actually got these off of Amazon as well. And these are very good because I went through the plastic ones. I can't tell you how many times, but since I bought these, I've had these a couple years. And as you see, they still in good shape. And you can connect it to your hood and you can go. Now with this hood, I spent like $45 on the hood, I believe. And I spent anywhere from under $100 for the lens. So you're looking at, you know, like I say, under $150. Now I have got hoods I done spent $20 on and they still good. You know what I mean? So it's all on the person, man. I mean, this is what works for me. I like both of these. I can MIG and stick with this one, and I can stick with this one. I can flux core with this one. Sometimes I use this one to flux core. I can change it. If it's real bright, I can go to a 11 shade because this is just a 10. So it's great for stick welding, great for mild steel. So this is my little setup, man. It ain't nothing special, but I do think it's a good start. Like I said, you don't have to go all the way out and spend all this money to get all this stuff. You can start with something basic. Hold on.